Very big robot, and it really does have a lot of good use cases for like any type of heavy industry. Then we have this R-2000iD, which is going to be very good for your like spot welding applications that they have demonstrated here. I'm not exactly positive on the payload of this particular model, but if you don't know FANUC robots, the smaller digit that's on the robot arm is actually its kg. So the 210 FH. So the 210 is the kg of the robot's payload. So it can lift up to 210 kg, or what is that, 420 pounds roughly. All right, so this right here is really the main thing that we have going on here, doing 3D sensing as well. So what it's doing is capturing that 3D sensing, and it's also seeing the orientation of the part. So that way, whenever this robot comes in here, do the simulated spray function, that it's able to follow the roll of that part.